Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a big old Primark haul for you. I did a bit of a big shop, you know. I haven't done a full-on Primark shop in absolutely ages, but I went in to have a little look the other day. They had an amazing range of like transitional bits. They had a couple of autumn bits peeping in there. So I was just loving what they had in. So I'm just gonna get into it and share it all with you. So there's like a mix of autumny, summery slash, like I said, transitional vibes going on at the minute. So this is quite summery, but I did pick up this red jumpsuit. I just think this is so nice because the legs are quite baggy, so it gives you that like slouchy vibe. The material's stretchy, so it's comfy, but you could also totally glam this up with some jewelry, or you could just play it down and wear it sort of like chilled vibes. You could wear it during the day, on a night time, and I'm really loving red at the minute. I don't know if you can tell, I've just been constantly wearing this lipstick, which I'll link down below. And also, while I was out shopping, I went into H&M and I picked up this shirt, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. I'll link it down below if I can find it, if it's still available. And I got these gold pack of 3 hoops as well, which I really like the look of. Won't lie, they were a little bit difficult to fasten, but I love the vibe. So I'm just loving gold jewelry at the minute. I think it's very summery, and yeah, if I can find these, I'll link them down below as well. But anyway, getting back to this was £10, which I thought was a very good price. Next up, for £15, I picked up another jumpsuit. Look at this. This is crepe, so while you could dress this up or down, again, I definitely feel like it's more of a dressy uppy sort of outfit, but I feel like this would go so nicely with my whole like gold jewelry vibe at the minute. How cute would this look? And I just love the tie as well, and for £15, I mean, it's an absolute bargain. I've got to say, one of the things that really drew me to these clothes was the colours. Primark have some really nice colours in at the minute, and I picked up this kind of fuchsia pink dress, and I just think it is so pretty. I love the long sleeves. I don't really have many long sleeve dresses, and this is a crepey material as well, and it's got like this sort of crossover tie, but it ties at the back and crosses over at the front, which gives you a really nice shape as well. And 15 quid, I actually can't get over it. I haven't shopped in Primark in ages, I've got to say. I just couldn't find anything that I was really loving in there, which is bizarre because usually I would go in there and find so many things that I like, but for the past few months I just haven't been vibing with Primark until this shopping trip. Honestly, they've got so many amazing things in at the minute. I mean, like, how cute is this? Guys, I actually can't cope with this next item, right? It's a dress. It literally looks like Joseph's Technicolor Dreamcoat. I mean, look at that. That might not be your vibe, but it's totally up my street. I absolutely love all of these colors. Like, come on. How gorgeous is this? I'm so into it. And do you know what else I really like? This is so random, but it's got the hoops that you can like put the tie around. Does that make sense? It's got a tie, but the tie is attached to the dress, so you just kind of like thread it through yourself, which I like because I quite often find with dresses that have ties, if they're not attached to the dress, I will just lose it and then I can't wear the dress anymore, or I'll have to wear a belt or something. Oh, the light in this video is properly shoddy. I'm so sorry about that, guys. It's one of those days. The sun, can't control it. But this was £20 and I'm just pretty obsessed with it, I can't lie. I think it's so glam. Primark are absolutely coming through with the jumpsuits at the minute. Look at this. Look at it. I just love it. This is like more muted and it's got kind of like a paisley pattern at the bottom. This is more of a chilled one, but again, you could dress it up, which I think is great. And this was £15, which is just amazing. Next up, for £10, I have this dress and I just absolutely love this. But I feel like if you worked in an office or something, this would be super cute over like a little t-shirt or something. But if you were out and about and it's hot, you could just wear a little bandeau underneath it. I just really like it. I don't have a lot of black in my summer wardrobe, but I just had to pick this up. I think it's so cute. I love the buttons. I love that it kind of looks like a dungaree dress, but it's not. And again, it's this sort of crepey material. Then for, I think, £15, it's either 10 or 15. They don't have the price on them. It might have been 15, but I picked up these pajamas. what is a Primark haul without some pajamas? I love the pale pink piping and I just love the spottiness. I mean, like, come on, they're so cute. They're cotton, which I like because it's breathable for summertime. I like that it's got short sleeves. This is just gonna be like so nice and cool. Like, it's been so hot at the minute. Then I got 3 pairs of shoes. Their shoes are so nice at the minute, guys. Like, how nice are these? I'm obsessed with them. These were £6. £6. I just think they're amazing for £6. And they had these in different colours as well. They had them in kind of like black suede, I think it was, with like studs. But I just thought these monochrome ones were really nice just for day to day. And then for £14, I picked up these red, kind of like faux suede material Cuban heels. Like, look at these. I thought that these were such a nice transitional boot because you could literally wear these in summertime if it wasn't too hot. If we weren't having a massive heat wave, but you could wear these during September, I think, when the weather's not as hot, but they're still like a nice summery colour. But again, like red, you could wear that throughout autumn time as well. I just think they're a great all-rounder. And for £14, I couldn't really resist these. I just love them. I'm not usually a fan of this height heel, but I feel like it's a really good one for during the day. I feel like these are going to be comfortable for during the day. I love the pointed toe. They look like they're going to be really comfy, and I'll probably wear these throughout autumn time. I just couldn't resist them. I thought they were lush. Then, this is so random, but I saw this from Holler & Glow. It's basically a foot mask. So it says it's the perfect pedi exfoliating sheet socks. And I've seen people talk about these online, and I've seen people say that they're amazing. Apparently, you put these sheet socks on, right, and then after a few days, it sounds so gross, but apparently your feet start like peeling and then they just end up like super soft. And I just really wanted to try these out because people have literally been raving about them. So I saw this for £4 and I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna give that a try. If you'd like me to film a video, this is probably so weird. Is that weird? If you'd like me to film a video testing these out, do let me know. Or is that proper weird, getting your feet out on camera? I'd attract all the foot perverts, wouldn't I? I don't know. Let me know down below if that's weird or if you'd like me to try these out. I mean, I don't mind getting my feet out on camera, but hey, if you want to see it, or you might be like, no Kate, please don't do that. Let me know down below, can't gauge this one. And then as always, I got 4 packets of their 50p a bag cotton pads because you can't get cotton pads cheaper anywhere else. Let me know if you can, but I haven't seen them. Oh, I mentioned this in my last Pretty Little Thing haul, guys, but I am uploading outfit pictures to my Instagram now. So if you want to know what I've been wearing or you want some outfit inspo, then be sure to follow me on Instagram. It's just KatesBeautyStation. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. As always, let me know what your favourite item was, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!